Why did Cain's anger explode so fast?
Genesis chapter 3 and 4 show us how emotions grow when we try to hide them instead of understanding them. Cain's story begins with disappointment, turns into jealousy, and becomes dangerous anger because he never paused to name what he felt. This chapter gives us one of the first emotional warning signs in the Bible, showing how hidden feelings can break relationships if we do not learn to slow down.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means emotions grow louder when we push them down or blame someone else. Cain felt hurt and embarrassed, but instead of asking God why, he pointed everything outward. Genesis teaches that naming a feeling helps us control it, but ignoring it gives the feeling control over us.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, because anger activates the amygdala, the part of the brain that reacts fast when it feels threatened. But the prefrontal cortex helps us slow down and choose wisely, just like the moment when God warned Cain, "Sin is crouching at your door, but you must rule over it." Every small moment of pausing strengthens that thinking part of the brain.
How does this show up in real life?
This happens when someone gets embarrassed at school and lashes out, or when a friend gets praise and we feel jealous. It shows up in families when small disagreements turn into big explosions. And it happens inside our hearts when we avoid the real feeling and instead blame someone else.
So, small equals big?
Yes, because tiny moments of jealousy can grow into patterns of resentment if we do not interrupt them. Just like a spark can grow into a wildfire, an unspoken emotion can grow into destructive anger. But a small moment of honesty, like saying, "I feel disappointed," can stop the fire before it starts.
So, how do I start?
Start with one thinking step, pause long enough to identify the feeling. Then one feeling step, say it quietly to yourself or to God. And finally one behavior step, choose a calm action like stepping away, breathing, or asking for help. These small steps build an emotionally wise heart.
What should we do today?
Today notice one tiny moment of frustration and name it before reacting. Even a 2-second pause can protect your relationships. If this episode helped you understand Cain better, share your insight or follow for the next chapter. Anger loses power the moment you bring it into the light, so choose honesty and calm one small moment at a time.
See you in the next episode.